Hi, and thanks for tuning in for another episode of Rainbow Kids 123. Today we're looking at the new house in Livetopia. Whoa, look at this. I can't wait to see what's... Whoa, look at that. Okay, what's inside? Whoa, that is so cool. Look at this place. Ooh, a tiny bedroom. Nothing secret. Wait, why is there one book on the right, 3 books in the middle, and 2 on the left? That's probably going to be helpful for us. Ooh, it looks like we have a bathroom. Ooh, that's cool. Ooh, what's upstairs, I wonder? Whoa, we have office and bedroom. Cool. The balcony. Look at this place. So cool. Okay, let's head back on downstairs and see if we can figure out that. Why is there a deer head? Wait, why is there a deer head here? Okay, so let's see. Look at that, and look at that moose head. Click on it. Okay, see that? Come over here. The door's opened. Okay, so at 3, there's the books. So let's head back on over in the red room. Okay, so here what it means. 1 book on the right, 3 books in the middle, and 2 on the left. Okay, so we'll have to do the exact same thing. Okay, so let's head on in here. Okay, 3 book. Okay, 1. Okay, perfect. Kabooey. It opens up a portal. Wait, look at this. It's like a movie theater. Whoa, that is so cool. Ooh, there's a bathroom. Cool. What's in here? A bedroom. Super duper cool. Super cool. Ooh, look at this. Look at this place. Whoa. Ooh. So now we have the VIP house. Whoa, look how big this place is. I can't wait to see what's inside. Okay, let's head on inside and see what there is. Whoa, look at this place. Whoa. Ooh, a pool area. Cool. Super cool. Ooh, what's in the kitchen, I wonder? Ooh, it looks like we have the kitchen and a living room. Wait, why is there a witch's pot? This seems to be a pot for cooking. We'll have to figure that out. Whoa, there's a mushroom inside. Ooh, what's in here? Ooh, a bathroom. Super cool. Super cool. Ooh, what's upstairs, I wonder? Whoa, what's in here? Whoa, look how big this room is. It's humongous. So big. Ooh, a gym workout room. It's cool. Super cool. What's upstairs in this room? The bedroom. So where you can. Ooh, a computer. Super cool. Nothing on the shelf that I'm seeing secret. Ooh, a bathroom. This is big. This is big. Okay, let's head on downstairs. Head on out of here and keep exploring. Ooh, what's up here? A bedroom. Cool. Okay, let's head on out of here. A balcony. Look at this place. So cool. Wait, why is there a mushroom on the shelf? Let's try clicking on it. Okay, we have the mushroom. Let's head on downstairs and see if we can put it in anything. Okay, so come on over here. Click on the witch's pot, and then boom, you come in this room. Look at this. It's like so futuristic. It's so everything. Why is there... It makes you have like electricity on you. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. So, bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications so you never miss a new video. I'll see y'all next time on another episode of Rainbow Kids 123. See ya.